Hello, welcome to Philosophy 309, Philosophy of Mind. My name is Robert Williams, and I'll be the instructor for this course. I wanted to record this video to introduce myself and to give you some idea about the structure of the course throughout the semester. The syllabus is posted on Blackboard, and you should look at that as soon as you get a chance because it has in detail everything we will do, the schedule, the grade distribution, and so on. But there's a few things that I wanted to go over with you right now. First, the text for the course is Problems in Mind, edited by Jack S. Crumley. And this book is supposed to be available in the Bearcat shop. However, the book's out of print, so if you check the Bearcat shop and they don't have copies available, please let me know as soon as you can. There are places you can order them online. If the Bearcat shop does not have copies, I'll see if I can find links to various places that you can order them. Get the text as soon as possible because we are starting to read this week. Also, the readings in the text are primary text readings, published articles, selections from books, and these can be rather challenging. Oftentimes, they presuppose a certain level of familiarity or understanding of concepts in philosophy or in philosophy of mind. This may be challenging to you. The style of writing may be challenging to you, so you should set aside a significant amount of time each week to read through the week's readings. To help you understand what's going on in the readings, the introductions written by Jack Crumley to each section can be very helpful. He lays out the main concepts, the main areas of concern, and explains these well. These introductions will be important to you. Read them often, read them multiple times if you need to. Also, to help you understand the readings and work through them, I will post videos every Monday morning. In these videos, I'll go over some of the things that we read about each week, try to pull out key concepts, relate these to bigger issues in philosophy of mind, in philosophy in general, work through the key concepts so that you'll better understand the readings. In these videos, I will also answer a weekly question submitted by one of you. Each week, after you do the readings, you have a question about a concept you don't understand, an argument you don't understand, something you'd like to know more about, email me. I'll pick one question every week, post this during the videos. I will, of course, respond to your questions through emails, but I'll choose a particularly useful question to answer during the videos for the entire class. So as far as the weekly structure of the class goes, Monday morning I will post that week's video. I will have the grades for your previous week's writing responses posted. On Wednesday I will post that week's reading response question. Oftentimes I'll pull these directly from the Crumley text. He puts reading response questions at the end of each selection to help you work through your understanding, check to see if you understood what you just read. Oftentimes I'll pull and use one of those questions. So you will need to have done the reading by Wednesday so you're prepared to answer the question. Other times I'll give an original question that focuses on something that I think is important and I'd like to emphasize. Friday, 5 o'clock, your reading response for the week is due. At that point, they'll be posted on a discussion board in Blackboard. All of your answers will be public to everyone in the class so that, as part of your participation grade, you can go on, start an exchange with your other students, ask questions about their response, have a response to their posting, and get a discussion going. This can be very useful in checking your understanding, developing your understanding, starting a communication with your fellow students that progresses the class and allows me to understand what we need to focus on. Beyond the weekly reading responses, there is a participation grade based on participation in the discussion of weekly responses, sending me questions of the week, responding to polls that I might put out throughout the semester at various points. Then there are 3 writing assignments. And the first of these will be partially structured. I will give you an introductory paragraph that outlines what you're going to do. You'll sort of fill out that outline to produce your paper. After that, the second paper will be less structured. You'll be able to pull from a series of paper topics, write your paper. And then the final paper will be longer, and it will involve submitting a draft to me. I'll give you extensive feedback on that draft. Then you will submit a revised copy of that during the finals. Please look at the syllabus, send me questions you have, and as your first assignment for participation grade, all of those watching this, please send me an introduction through email with your name, your grade level, your major, any experience you have in philosophy of mind, and why you're taking this course. I look forward to seeing you every week throughout the semester.